Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best adjustable purse straps is probably one of the most versatile and practical accessories you can add to your handbag collection, allowing you to transform the look and feel of your favorite bags in seconds, whether you're dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual for everyday use. This video will explore the top adjustable purse straps on the market, helping you find the perfect one to match your style and needs, and we will cover everything from material and length to design and functionality, ensuring you make an informed decision before buying. Number 5. Canvas Crossbody Bag. This stylish bag features a wide, adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. It's perfect for everyday use and adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Made from high-quality canvas, it's built to last. The strong material ensures it can handle your daily essentials with ease. The wide shoulder strap provides exceptional comfort, even when carrying heavier loads. Say goodbye to shoulder pain. Customize the strap length to your preference. Wear it crossbody or adjust it for a more comfortable fit. It's the perfect accessory for any occasion. Dress it up or down, it complements any style. It offers plenty of room for your phone, wallet, keys, and more. Keep your essentials organized and within reach. What we like? It's made of wide canvas, so it's comfortable on your shoulder. It's also fully adjustable to fit any body type. If you prioritize comfort and durability for everyday use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The strap is thick and great quality. The strap lets you choose longer or shorter, but I like it because it's longer than most my other straps. As a plus-size gal, it's hard to find straps that don't choke you when wearing. This wide shoulder adjustable strap has plenty of room and some to spare. Has held up for a long time now with no signs of aging. Number 4. Genuine leather purse strap. Is your favorite purse strap worn out? This genuine leather strap is the perfect replacement. It's durable and stylish, adding a touch of class to any handbag. Made from high-quality, 100% genuine leather. It feels luxurious and will last for years to come. Experience the difference that genuine leather makes. Easily transform your look with this versatile strap. It's simple to attach and instantly elevates your handbag style. Make your bag your own. Enjoy the convenience of a crossbody bag with this perfectly sized strap. It's comfortable to wear and keeps your essentials close at hand. Stay hands-free and stylish. It's designed to fit a wide variety of handbags. This strap is a great way to refresh your look without buying a new bag. Update your style today. This strap is built to withstand daily wear and tear. It's a smart investment that will keep your bag looking its best for years to come. Enjoy its lasting quality. What we like? This strap is made from 100% genuine leather, giving it a luxurious look and feel. Its classic design complements various handbag styles. If you appreciate quality materials and timeless style, this strap will elevate your handbag. What people say. I like the blue color, the hardware, and that the sides are edge-coated. That is a process to smooth the leather edges. It's real leather. Nice strap. This strap is genuine leather and a tall person can use this strap. I'm short, but one of my friends is 6 feet 1 inch and she can use this strap and it looks appropriate. Number 3. TANOSII Wide Purse Strap. Tired of uncomfortable purse straps? This wide strap offers superior comfort and style. It's the perfect accessory to upgrade your handbag. Easily adjust it to your ideal length. Wear it comfortably across your body or on your shoulder. Find the perfect fit for any occasion. It's made from high-quality materials built to last. The stylish design complements any handbag, adding a touch of elegance. Simply attach it to your purse and you're ready to go. It's quick and easy to install, no tools required. Find the perfect color to match your style. It comes in a range of colors to suit any taste and outfit. Transform your everyday handbag with this comfortable and stylish strap. Order yours today and experience the difference. What we like? With its wide design, it offers superior comfort and support. The stylish look adds a modern touch to your handbag. If you're looking for a comfortable and fashionable option, this strap is a great choice. What people say. It's quality and attractive. This is a good quality, cute and thick strap that I like. BC, it's adjustable. Well made and beautiful. Number 2. Replacement purse strap. Tired of your old handbag strap? This stylish and durable replacement will give your purse a whole new look and feel. It's the perfect way to update your favorite bag. It features a wide design for comfortable carrying and is fully adjustable to fit your needs. Find the perfect length for crossbody or shoulder wear. Made from premium materials, it's built to last. You can trust it to withstand daily wear and tear, keeping your belongings secure. Simply attach it to your handbag. It's quick and easy to install, no tools required. Transform your bag in minutes. With its versatile design, it complements various handbag styles. It's the ideal accessory to elevate your look. Choose from a variety of colors to match your personal style and wardrobe. Find the perfect strap to complete your outfit. What we like? Its adjustable length makes it suitable for various heights and carrying preferences. The wide design ensures comfort. If you need a versatile and adaptable strap for different bags and styles, this one's for you. What people say? The clips are sturdy and well made. Strong clips, nice quality. It has great color and is very silky feeling. The clips on the ends of the strap are strong and can withstand the weight of a large, full purse. Easy to attach. Easy to adjust the length. Number 1. RAYNAG Adjustable Purse Strap. This stylish strap is perfect for upgrading your handbag. It's made of durable PU leather and comes in 5 colors to match any style. The high-quality leather looks great and will last. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance to your favorite purse. It's easily adjustable, so you can wear it crossbody or shorten it for a shoulder bag. You can even double it up for a unique look. This strap is great for everyday use or travel. It frees up your hands and makes carrying your belongings so much easier. Simply attach it to your handbag to instantly give it a modern update. It's a simple way to refresh your look. Carrying luggage and a purse at the same time can be a struggle. This strap makes traveling so much easier. What we like? It boasts beautiful, durable leather and strong metal hooks. The adjustable length allows for crossbody or shorter styles. If you want a stylish and long-lasting upgrade for your handbag, this is an excellent option. What people say? Great straps for cross-carry use of my purse. Good for converting purse to longer strap or cross-body. The color, width, and length were perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.